Mumbai is hope for a lot of people who come in here. People may say it's a melting pot of cultures. I would differ here. It's actually a salad bowl of cultures because everyone retains their individuality here. Vedanahi nahi kadala Vedanahi nahi kadala अंतपारयाचा कानडा राजा पंढरीचा कानडा राजा पंढरीचा. What I was just singing was actually an abhang. Maharashtra is a culturally super rich state. So when the client came to us, they want something that's deeply rooted in Indian traditions and culture. Wada itself has multicultural influences. So we said it represents the essence of what Mumbai brings to India. So that's where the idea started from. Hi, I'm architect Meena Murthy Kakkar, founding partner at Envisage Gurugram. And today we are sitting in our lovely project Aarunya, which is in Mumbai. For more detailed chapters and PDF ebook, please log into buildofy.com. We got this house through Buildofy as well. The name Aarunya means the rising sun. Chembur has a beautiful, lovely cultural vibe to it as well. The carpet area of the house is approximately 1500 square feet, and it's actually 2 apartments combined into one. The house originally it has 4 bedrooms, but then we kept 3 as they are, and 1 we converted into a den. So in a Wada, the first thing that strikes you is actually the main entrance, or in Marathi it's called the Mahadwaar. But the most interesting fact is the presence of a peep door or a dindi darwaza. Whenever we talk of a Maharashtrian Wada, there is a courtyard which is present, and there is a passage that surrounds the courtyard known as a Sopa. One of the key features of a Sopa is the presence of niches in the walls around it called konade. So we have taken the same konade and we've turned it into a showcase of sorts. So the minute you enter, you see this mural here, which is actually representing the Pandharpur Wari. And the mark that you see here is the tilak on Vithoba's forehead, and this white line that you see also represents the garlands that he wears around his neck. In a Wada, there is a certain distance between the pillars, which is known as a Khann. And the Khann is usually 4 feet 10 to 5 feet 6 inches. And when we measured this distance that we had to span with the arches, it was actually a multiple of the Khann. And of course, beyond that lies our living room and dining room. The curtains are all of a very natural soft hue, but we had to play with it. So we've used, in the living room, we've used 2 panels of Paithani saree. Now from here, when you take a left, you enter the master bedroom. You have the dresser, walk-in dresser here. You have a lovely study den which is attached to the master bedroom. So we've played with the 2 colors that we have in the home on the floor. One is terracotta and the other is green. And you have a beautiful mustard yellow on the wall. We also added this lovely whirly detail here just to ensure that we kind of bring out that proportion of the room. Now connected to this is the study room. So we've put a nice handcrafted wooden Shiva on the wall, which is done in the south. The mother's room and the kitchen is on the right side of the house. there is also a small puja that we've created, and we have given a partition so that the puja is defined a little better, and that partition, interestingly, is made from a paithani sari. When you look at the passage that leads to the bedroom, we've also played with it, brought in some pattern there. At the fag end of the passage, you have the multipurpose room, which also acts as a guest room, an extra study. The client is a singer, so we've also kept that room as a riyaz room. We met the client for the first time in December online. So in 4 months, we designed and executed and handed over the site to the client as well. People ask us why cultural homes. We say that, as Indians, we tend to carry a little bit of ourselves wherever we go. I want to put my feet up and sit on my sofa. I want a bench. I want a jhula. I want these things which make me feel at home, take me back to my childhood, and that is where I remember being the happiest. Suddenly, these spaces take you back there and they put you at ease.